Hello friends and welcome back to another video. Today I am sharing this very cute Indian Tricolour inspired paper flower ball. I learned making this flower ball and I decided to share it with you. The only twist that I gave to it was that I made it using the colors of our flag, as Republic Day is round the corner. For this, all you need is some white paper and use any object and create a circle, or you can even use a compass if you want. After creating the circle, cut it out, and we have to make 20 such circles for this paper ball. Once all the circles are cut, all you need to do is fold it in half. Fold all the circles in this way, and on each of the hemisphere we'll be using the colors of our flag. So I am going to paint 7 of these circles saffron in color, 7 green and 6 blue in color. As the paper is already white, I am not going to use white color. So in this manner, paint all the circles and then leave them to dry off a little bit. Once they dry off, all you need to do is fold them as I am showing over here. So fold across the line which you had folded and then open it and fold it towards the other side, but only on the white part of the circle. Then open the circle and make the petal shape as shown. To get the perfect petal shape, you can use your fingers and press it down a little bit, and then you can use some pencil tip or some thin thing and open up the inside 2 folds as I am doing over here. And finally, all you need to do is use a little bit of glue and stick the 2 ends together so that the petal is formed. And in a similar manner, I made all the 20 petals and then leave them to dry off completely. So these are the various colors which I made. Now what you need to do is take 5 of each of these petals and stick them together as shown. In a similar manner, I used the rest of the single petals to create these 5 petaled shaped structures and then leave them to dry off completely. Finally, the last step is sticking these 4 pieces together. For this, take hold of one of the 5 petal shaped structure and apply glue on the petal edges. And then you can take another piece and stick it together, putting the petals in between the valley shaped structure that you have created so that the ball is well formed. So continue these steps and stick all the 4 bits together until you get the perfect ball. So here I have already stuck 2 of them and this is the 3rd one. And in a similar manner, I will be sticking on the 4th one also. While you are sticking it, since the glue is still wet, you can adjust the petals a little bit so that the ball shape forms properly. And then when you are happy with the shape, just let it dry off and your very cute flower shaped ball is done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.